Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthy. This week, I built this lightbox sticker display to display all the stickers that I get from other makers through sticker swaps. If you'd like to get a sticker from me, DM me at Instagram at Flippin' Rejects, and I'll send it right out. Let's check this one out.
To start out, I'm cutting this white acrylic down to size. If you notice, I cut a few inches on one side, flip it over, and then run the cut all the way through. That's to avoid chipping off the corners. And now with the acrylic and the plywood backer cut, I can cut all the pieces for the frame. And with everything cut to size, now I can start running dados through each pieces of this frame. And while I'm doing that, now would be a good time to remind you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And with all that done and ready, now all I had to do is cut all the 45s. I'm just drilling out a hole in the backer to be able to run wire through for the LEDs. And with all these LEDs stuck in place, now I just had to solder them all up. This took a long time. Tiny connections with big fat fingers. Doesn't always work. But they're done. I'll give it a quick test before I start putting everything together. Just tape this up so I can do a quick glue up on this frame. And this thing's almost over. Now in hindsight, this backer board with the LEDs on it was a really tight fit, and I probably should have cut out a little bit more area in the dados. I get it all in the clamps and let the glue do its thing. Now it's just time to remove the clamps, add some stickers. Voila! wasn't your best dinner. Ooh, what's that down? All right. Oh, hey, just down here on the couch reading this book, Billion and One Things Not to Say to Your Wife. Using this little lightbox sticker display that you guys just watched me build as my reading light. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So, y'all go out and have a great day. Go try and make something awesome. I'm stuck down here until I read this whole book. The only thing I said was she got her hair cut and I told her she looked like my brother. I mean, it's uncanny, the resemblance, really. I mean, alright, back to it.